Welcome to another video on my Arduinos Mega2560, MegaADK and Arduino Uno. Last time I connected the MegaADK with Mega2560, and that program still doesn't exactly want what I do what I want. I have to phrase it correctly. So this signal goes straight here, gives the same signal, or should give. Now it's gone again. I have to re-upload at least this part. Is that true? Something wrong with the wiring, because this one still works, and this one is not connected to the same computer. It's connected to my MacBook, but I want to have this signal transferred to this signal, since it is centered around this one. Everything programmed in AVR-C, not standard C, and one of the things that doesn't work is printing something that I put in the code last time, and I don't see it happen. So that's what is in focus for this episode. Alright, different view from the webcam with Arduino MegaADK coder, 25.6 coder, terminal, and then is this the 25.6 ADK without the Android, ADK for Android development kit, but no Android, and here is the Uno, everything Arduino of course. And one thing I did last time is connecting with this wire to this LED, and then have the signal read right here. Now this LED should blink in the same way as this LED does. Let me adjust the camera a bit. So this LED is blinking, this LED is not blinking. Here it reads digital, so from here to pin 30 is red, and it's 0. Is that a special thing? Well, the point is, I assume that if a signal is 1, that it is positive, but look at this when I remove this wire. The signal is 1. I insert the wire, comes back to 0. 1 again, and 0. So for some very weird reason, the signal is reversed apparently, but that doesn't take away that this signal is apparently not giving through, because this LED is not doing anything. Unless of course the LED is broken and I don't see anything anymore, but for now this is a mystery. Apart from that, I want to connect this board right here to this, and then to yet another port. So I need to check this wire, this LED and this LED as well, because I connected this here and it didn't do anything either. So I have 2 wires to prepare and a few things to check. Alright, now first I'm going to test this wire. and with this analog multimeter set to resistance, I'm holding one probe here, one probe here, and it clearly shows there's no resistance, so this wire is alright. There's no problem, which is fortunate but also unfortunate. So I'm going to measure this connection. Also nothing, no problem. And then I measure on the other side of the resistor, and to my surprise, here is some kind of a problem, which would indicate that the resistor is not alright, which is very weird. Either they blow up or they do okay. So here's something like a problem. I can also measure here on both sides, and indeed they show no connection. Alright. That means that there's a problem somehow. So I have to replace this resistor. Oh, let me measure the other resistor, see if that one is alright, and no, so my assumption is not quite alright. Okay, I have to measuring on resistor doesn't work that way then. Anyway, checking the LEDs is next, and then connecting. Now I do already have new wires, so one wire goes right here, the other one, or the other end, goes here, yet another wire goes here, ending somewhere. Well, let's just take the next wire, 28. So that's 28. Now I have to adjust the schematics and the program, but that will be alright. But I'm still here with something weird. Two LEDs that apparently don't work. I have to check them out. And I had to resort to fischertechnik. This is a 3-color LED of some kind, and this is an ordinary lamp. So with some original fischertechnik wiring, I have now added an LED where the former LED, being either one of this, went broken. So now I know that this is working. And yes, it is blinking in exactly the same way as that LED. Sorry. So this one and this one are now blinking exactly the same. Unfortunately, I can't say the same for this lamp, so I'll have to replace it for an LED. But at least now I have something working here. Still, this does not make any sense yet. voltage is not the problem. It is, to my belief, that something else is the problem, but I can't figure out why yet. Anyway, I'd love to set now this connection up. And this is the sending side. The Uno side is the sending side. But I can show the MacBook side anyway. The MacBook is controlling the Uno. So let's go there for a moment. Right, and this is the Arduino Uno code which runs on that board. Nothing spectacular. So I want to add something else, and that is just a simple screenshot, or not screenshot, but something that displays in here, which is a simple print screen, which has to be serial print, of course. And let me just do it as simple as possible. Nothing wrong with that. So at least then there is something to see on screen. Oh yeah, of course. This should be print line, and this should be print line. So let's do it again. And this is better. So yeah, now there's something on screen as well as on the board, which you unfortunately cannot see because it didn't accept an external camera to record with it. So, but anyway, this is the Mac side for the Uno, which I'm going to connect properly, I hope, to the Arduino 2560. And back on Linux, well, I have connected a wire here to port 28, so I will have to add that. And then take these two, copy and paste, 28 and 28, and see whatever happens, since that lamp is not working. Oh wait, I have to add something here as well, obviously. So this will have to be 28 and 28. Go. Okay, so now they both give 1. And now I am very curious what happens if I take out this wire. In short, absolutely nothing. Which is, to say, at least a little bit confusing. So there, right here, something is blinking, then this isn't doing anything, which may be due to the lamp, but I don't believe so. Although I can easily check. Let me check. This one has to remain. It has to remain here. But I have a fischertechnik power controller here. Easy enough to connect. And it works. So this confirms my suspicion that I have really to use an LED rather than a lamp. And this one is supposed to work. So why does it stop? It did work so far, this LED, and is doing nothing anymore. So another riddle. So what's wrong with everything? I don't know. So with 3 Arduinos connected, signals not really coming through that I can see, and confusing signals because now pin 28 is suddenly giving positive, and pin 28 is this one. So that looks like good. So why is the other one 0? I have no idea. Why is this one not blinking anymore? I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. Very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wire, or become a patron and may have your name mentioned. This is going to be continued. Please take a look under this video or at the closing segment of this video for my URL of the website and other stuff. Have a nice day, stay safe, take care of yourself, bye bye.